single source shortest path problem. So what is single source shortest path problem? Here G equal to V comma E be a directed graph with weighting function W for the edges of G. The starting vertex of length is called source and last vertex is called destination. Let V be an other vertex belongs to belongs to set of vertices V. The problem to determine shortest path to given destination vertex V from source is called single source shortest path problem. To formulate greedy based algorithm to generate shortest paths, we must conceive of multi-stage solution to the problem and also of optimization measure. One possibility is to construct shortest path is 1 by 1 as a optimization measure. We can use the sum of the lengths of all paths so far generated. This measure is to be minimized. Next, to see the algorithm, flow of the algorithm. This is algorithm shortest path v cost distance n. Next one is check the for loop for I equal to 1 to n. Next one is s of I equal to false, distance of I equal to cost of v comma I. Next one is s of v equal to true, distance of v equal to 0. Put v in s. Next for number equal to 2 to n minus 1. Next one is choose u from among those vertices not in s such that distance of u is the minimum. S of u equal to true. Put u in s. Next take the for loop for each w adjacent u with s of w equal to false. Condition is to perform this operation if distance of w distance of u plus cost u comma w. Condition is to perform this operation distance of w equal to distance of u plus cost of u comma w. This is the this diagram shows simple test path from 1 to all other vertices. Here is first vertex 1 to 4. 1 to 4 shortest path is directly 1 to 4 is 10. 10 is the minimum cost. So 1 to 2. 1 to 2. This is the root 1 4 5 2. This is 45. Next 1 to 3. 1 to 3 direct to root. Root is 1 to 3. Corresponding weight is 10 is 45. Next shortest path from 1 to 5. 1 to 5. 1 to 4. 4 to 5 is cost is 25. Cost is 25. Next one is this is the example diagram. Madhuri,
Sir.
ఈ diagram చూడు careful గా.
Okay, sir.
Yes, this is the starting vertex is 5.
Yes, sir.
This is iteration, the S values, the what is selected, the corresponding distance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Initially, starting vertex is 5. Starting vertex is 5. 1 to 5 directions ఉన్నాయా?
Sir?
5 to 1. 5 to 1 direction.
Sir, voice cut అవుతుంది sir.
ఉగ్రత నుండి ఈ తెగుల నుండి మమ్మల్ని తప్పించమని వేడుకుంటూ చేస్తున్నామని ప్రార్థిస్తున్నాను తండ్రి. మహాదేవుడు మన ప్రభువు రక్షకుడునై యేసుక్రీస్తు కృప దేవుని సన్నిధి సహవాసం ఈరోజు మనందరికీ
ఎవరు టీవీ పెట్టినారమ్మా? టీవీ వాయిస్ వినపడుతున్నాయా? 5 to 1 Madhuri?
Sir.
5 to 1 direction ఉందా? 5 to 1 direct direction.
లేదు sir.
5 to 1 direct direction is plus infinity. 5
Yes,
to
sir.
2 is no direction plus infinity. 5 to 3 no direction plus infinity. 5 to 4
1500 sir.
1500. 5 to 5
Yes.
is 0.
0.
5 to 6
250.
5 to 6 250. 5 to 7 is plus infinity. 5 to 8 plus infinity. Plus.
Yes, sir.
Now here is 5 is visited vertex. 5 is visited vertex. That's why put 5 into S. Right?
Yes. Yes sir.
Put 5 into S. Next, what is the next minimum element? Next minimum vertex?
6 sir.
6 is the minimum vertex.
Yes sir.
Right?
Right
6
sir.
is the minimum vertex. 6 is the minimum vertex. Now minimum vertex is here is what is the adjacent nodes of 6? Adjacent nodes are 4, 7,
8, 5 sir.
5 is already visited.
Oh yeah, okay sir.
6 adjacent vertices are 4, 7, 8.
Yes sir.
4, 7, 8. Now here is give the one formula is there. So here is u equal to 6.
Okay sir.
U equal to 6. So double values are adjacent vertices. Adjacent vertices are double values are 4, 7, 8. Right?
Yes sir.
This is the formula. If distance W greater than distance V, distance
6.
U plus cost of U comma W. Condition
Yes,
is true. Condition distance W equal to distance U plus cost of U comma W. U comma W. Here is U comma W. Here is U equal to 6. First we take adjacent vertex 4.
Yes sir.
Distance of 4 greater than distance of
Distance of
6, u value 6 plus cost of 6 comma 4. 6 comma 4. 15 greater than 250 plus distance of 6 anta previous value 250.
Yes, sir.
Previous value వేసుకోవాలి 250 plus cost of 6 comma 4
1000, sir.
1000. 1500 greater than 1250 అంతే కదా.
Yes, sir.
Condition is true. Distance of 4 equal to distance of 6
Plus
distance of 4 equal to distance of 6 plus cost of 6 comma 4.
4.
Distance of 6 equal to 250 plus cost of 6 comma 4 is 1000 equal to 1250.
Yes, sir.
Right now
Right.
distance of 4 equal to 1250.
Yes, sir.
1250.
50.
Next same. Next we find this. నెక్స్ట్ స్లైడ్ లో ఉంది పెడతాను మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్ వస్తాం.
Okay.
నెక్స్ట్ మొదటి
Sir.
నెక్స్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ 7 నెక్స్ట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 7.
Yes, sir.
Distance of 7 greater than distance of 6 plus cost of 6 comma 7.
7.
Distance of 7 is plus infinity greater than distance of 6 is 250 plus cost of 6 comma 7 is 900. Plus infinity greater than 1150. Condition is true. Condition is true. Distance of 7 equal to distance of 6 plus cost of 6 comma 7.
8, sir.
8 పడిందిలే 8 పడిందిలే 6 comma 7 అది.
Okay.
6 comma 7 250 plus 900 is 1150.
Yes, sir.
This is we are finding the distance of 7. Next u equal to 6, double e equal to 8. Next child is 8. If distance of 8 greater than distance of 6
Okay.
plus cost of 7 comma 8.
8.
Distance of 8 is plus infinity greater than 250 plus
1400.
1400. Thus
Yes.
plus infinity greater than 1650. 1650. Condition is true.
True.
Condition is true. Next find the distance of 8 equal to distance of 6 plus cost of 7 comma 8. Madhuri. Madhuri.
Sir.
Next is distance of 8 equal to distance of 6 plus cost of 7 comma 8. 250 plus 1400. 1650. 1650. This is way of finding this childs of 6.
Yes, sir.
Next equal to the next child.
Yes, sir.
Write down these values. Madhuri.
Sir.
Now 6 is visited vertex. Now put 6 into S.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Right, sir.
Next, what is next minimum element?
7, sir.
Next minimum node 7. Next minimum node is 7.
7.
What are the adjacent nodes of 7?
Adjacent. 8, sir.
8 is. Now find the 8 value.
Yes, sir.
Previously found the 8 value. Right?
Yes, sir.
Same answer 1650.
Yes, sir.
1650. Now 7 is visited. 7 is visited. That's why put 7 into S. Next minimum
sir.
vertex.
4, sir.
Next minimum vertex is 4.
4.
Next minimum vertex is
4,
4.
sir.
What are the adjacent nodes? Adjacent nodes of 4?
3, sir.
3. Check the condition. If మొత్తం చూపించలేదు నేను ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో డైరెక్ట్ చేసేసా.
Okay, sir.
Distance of 3 greater than distance of 4 plus cost of 4, 3.
Yes,
Distance
sir.
of 3 is plus infinity greater than cost of 4 is 1250
Yes, sir.
plus cost of 4, 3 ఎంత వచ్చింది 1200.
1200, sir.
1200 plus infinity greater than 2450.
Sir.
Condition is true. Next, find the distance of 3 equal to distance of 4 plus cost of 4, 3.
Yes, sir.
1250 plus 1200. 2450. Right? 2450. Right in distance of 3 equal to 2450.
Yes, sir.
Now 4 is visited vertex. Put 4 into S. What is the next minimum vertex? What is the next minimum vertex?
2, sir.
2 ఎట్ అవుతుందమ్మా 8 కూడా ఉంది కదా.
8, sir.
Next minimum vertex is 8. What is the adjacent nodes of 8?
1, sir.
1. Now find the distance of 1. If
Yes,
distance of 1 greater than distance of 8 plus cost of 8, 1. Distance of 1 equal to plus infinity greater than distance of 8 is 1650 plus distance cost of 1, 8, 1 ఎంత
100, sir.
1700 కదా. 1700 plus infinity greater than 3350.
Yes, sir.
Condition is true. Next, distance of 1 equal to distance of 8 plus cost of 8, 1. 1650 plus 1700, 3350. 3350. Right on the 3350. Now 8 is visited vertex. Now put 8 into S. What is the next minimum vertex?
3, sir.
Next minimum vertex is 3. What are the adjacent nodes of
2, sir.
3? 2.
sir.
Adjacent node is 2. Distance. Now find the distance of 2. If distance of 2 equal to greater than distance of 3 plus cost of 3, 2. Distance of 2 equal to plus infinity greater than 2450 plus this cost of 2, 3, 2.
800, sir.
800. Next plus infinity greater than 32 250. Condition is true. Let's find the distance of 2 equal to distance of 3 plus cost of 3, 2. 2450 plus 800 32 350. 32, 350. Now 3 is visited vertex. Now put 3 into S. What is the next minimum vertex?
2, sir.
2. Next minimum vertex is 2. What are the adjacent nodes of 2?
1, sir. 1.
1. 1. Find the
Yes.
one distance. Already found. I get to find
Okay.
distance of 1 greater than plus 2, 1.
What?
Distance of 1 is what is the distance of 1?
300, sir.
300 అవుతుందమ్మా ఈ ప్రీవియస్ పాయింట్ అవుట్ చేశాను కదా 33 250
Yes, sir.
ప్రీవియస్ పాయింట్ అవుట్ చేశాను కదా డిస్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ 1 33 250
Yes, sir.
greater than distance of 2 is 32 550 plus cost of 2 comma 1
200, 300, sir.
300. Next is
Yes.
33 250 greater than 35 3500. Condition
sir.
is false. Condition is false. Condition is false means to write again previous value.
Yes, sir.
Right? This is
Right.
way of finding the distance.